Welcome to Mostly AI. I'm Derek Kane. A quick note, outside of my role as host, this podcast is entirely AI generated. Let's get into it.
Here's a question every executive should be asking right now. Why are so many AI initiatives failing? Not because the models are bad, not because the talent isn't there. The answer might surprise you. It's the data foundation. I'm your host, and today we're talking about why data architecture is the real unlock for strategic AI with someone who lives this every day.
Thanks for having me. And that framing is exactly right. And it's one of the most underappreciated truths in enterprise AI right now. Organizations are spending millions on models, on compute, on AI talent, and then wondering why the outputs feel like expensive noise.
Expensive noise. I love that. So what's actually going wrong at the foundation level?
Well, think about it this way. If you ask an AI to make a strategic decision, it's only as smart as the data it's trained on. And if that data is siloed, inconsistent, ungoverned, if it doesn't flow cleanly across the business, you're not building intelligence, you're just automating confusion. Data architecture is the structural design of how data moves, connects, and serves the business. It's not just databases, it's the strategic blueprint.
So there's a real difference between organizations that treat data architecture as plumbing, just infrastructure, versus those that treat it as strategy.
Exactly. And that distinction is everything. The companies winning with AI right now, they made architecture decisions years ago that they're only now cashing in on. They designed for connectivity, for governance, for scale. The others are retrofitting, and that is slow, painful, and expensive.
So what does the unlock actually look like? When architecture is right, what changes?
It's almost like a switch flips. Predictive analytics start working, autonomous agents can actually act on reliable signals, real-time decision-making becomes possible because the data is trustworthy and accessible. You stop fighting your data and start leveraging it. That's the moment AI stops being a project and starts being a capability.
That's the shift every organization is chasing, and that's exactly what ClearData AI is built to help you get there. If you're ready to build an AI-ready data foundation, not just talk about it, visit us at cleardataai.ai. We'll see you next time.
You've been listening to Mostly AI, a podcast built with AI-generated content, production, and audio elements. Thanks for being here. Until next time.